In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress PDF in Camscanner. If you've ever needed to make a large PDF smaller, so it's easier to email, upload, or share, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do that using the tools built right into Camscanner. We will keep things simple and clear so you know what to tap and why it matters. First, open Camscanner on your device. Give it a moment to load your home screen. The interface can look slightly different depending on your device, but the process is the same. Once you are in, look for the option labeled Compression. Tap Compression, and then open your file from your device. You will be prompted to pick the PDF you want to shrink. Choose the one you need, and Camscanner will prepare it for optimization. With your file loaded, tap the compression icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon triggers the tool that reduces the file size by optimizing images and embedded content. It doesn't change what your PDF is about. It just makes the same content more efficient to store and share. Next, select the compressed size. You'll typically see options that indicate different levels of reduction. Smaller sizes mean the file will be lighter and quicker to send. But they can also slightly lower image quality. If you just need to meet an upload limit, aim for the smallest size that still keeps text clear and readable. If your PDF is image-heavy, a moderate setting often balances quality and size nicely. Camscanner may also show you the estimated output size so you can make an informed choice before proceeding. When you are happy with your selection, click the Share icon at the top right corner. This is your gateway to exporting the optimized file. From here, choose to save to local storage or share the file directly. Saving to local storage keeps the compressed PDF on your device so you can attach or upload it whenever you like. Sharing directly lets you send it immediately through your preferred app such as email, messaging, or a cloud drive so you can move fast if you are on a deadline. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.